you sunglasses and some new bags. Look at that one. A teal blue with a royal bluish screen, UV protection. Then I got it in yellow. I don't know, see, in California we sit outside a lot, and you know, with the pandemic, and you need sunglasses, so why not make them fun? These are yellow, and they're hot pink lenses. They kind of change. Then, of course, you saw these. Now, I'm not a skier. I look like a skier in this, right? This is a new one. These are the green ones, just like the blue. This is my sunglass case. This is so worth it. I'm sure you can fill this up. It closes also. This comes up and it snaps closed. But isn't that wild? It's just so wild. I don't even have room for all my glasses. Look at the case. It's a gorgeous case. And here's a pair of lavender. Now, look how nice. These are great to wear indoors. I mean, they're perfect. You could wear these indoors because they're sheer, but they put such a punch of color on your face. And they have these little tabs here, and nothing hurts. They're perfect. And they come with that case. Now this one, I love the, look at this case. It's got a like a honeycomb design. It's nylon. It has a zipper. It's a hard case. And the glasses, wow. Wow. That is beautiful. Beautiful. And it's got that one piece for the lens. And I have a trick for you if any of these glasses or any of your glasses are too loose on the temple. I will show you that in a little bit. Beautiful. This is another one with the same case. And here is a beige and brown one. And it's a one piece for the lens. And it has this nice thick, to me this looks like a Louis, it looks like a designer one, like a Louis Vuitton or something. Now I usually like my eyebrows covered in my glasses, but these don't do that. But cute, right? They look like an LV designer because they have that very wide temples. They have nice nose pad. Oh, I love these. Okay, this is the case. Look how beautiful. It's faux leather, but it feels real. Now look at this one piece flat lens and this fabulous nose guard, and it just sits so nice. Now you could wear them anywhere. It has two little screws here, little gold accent, and kind of a transparent temples. A lot of them came with the little lens wiping cloth. Okay. And I'm telling you the price. Look at this case. Rubber, look at that. Rubber zipper pull, which I love. And then a clip here to hang it on your belt or your purse. And then rubber logo right there. Very well made. Very, very well made. But I'm telling you, these were like under $10, all of them. Okay, so look at this. Black temples, black across, and blue. Now this really looks like I'm going skiing, huh? Sometimes you just want to hide behind your glasses. I just love them. I love them. It's so much fun. There's so many cute ones. Ooh. Now I got 2 purses. When I tell you, I don't even think they were $5. I'm just impressed. Okay. Look at this purse. This is just amazing. Really amazing. Okay, it's got a pink bottom, and it's a little bucket bag, and you pull the strings, and when you open it, it's very wide. I'll show you the size. Okay, so the palette could go in like that. That's a big palette. So the inside is very, very smooth, very well made. I mean, look at this. Look at this strap. Faux leather here, gold, faux gold clips, and I was just hoping that this didn't say any curse words. It says cushion and bag, city and life, new fashion cushion and bag. Phew! Otherwise I couldn't wear it. But is that cute? Oh my goodness. And then when you pull this, I'm going to put the price right here so you're just as amazed as I am. I am amazed. This is a perfect size for me. My wallet, my phone, my keys, my makeup bag, and my snacks all could go in here. And then here is another one I got. And it has a dark brown on the bottom. And it is a brown and beige. And it's not trying to imitate the Louis bags because it's a totally different design. And if you open it, you just have to tie a knot on it. I had to tie a knot. It wasn't tied when I got it. Look at that. I mean, it's just adorable. Adorable. It's got the same strap. I love the black and white strap. I think that is so cool. Cushion and bag. Thank goodness it's not a curse word. You never know. Oh, and I want to tell you all a cool word, a hip word. I'm going to have like this section. I mean, I have this segment in a lot of my videos, if I can remember, to help you communicate with younger people. If you want to show them that you're cool or hip, you just tell them somebody that you admire is a real goat. G-O-A-T. It's an acronym. It doesn't mean like you're an old goat. Because when we were on a text, my family text, and they said something about somebody was a goat, and I went, oh goodness, what they call them, an old goat? No, it means this: greatest of all time. So you can impress the youngins, I'm telling you. I will come up with a lot of words for you to impress them with. It's fun. So you go and say that to your kids when you're together. So look at that. It's like it's a bucket bag, which I love a bucket bag. I love a bucket bag, and I love these straps, and I love crossbody. It's perfect. Oh, let me tell you what shows I'm watching. If you have not watched Ozark, I'm pretty sure it's Netflix. Ozark. Oh my gosh. Wow. First of all, I love Justin Bateman. Love him. He's just so funny. And this is really like a drama, but I'm telling you, I laughed all the way through it. And it's not a comedy. He's just so funny. It's compelling. It's a compelling drama. It's amazing. And it's got a few seasons, and it's just so great. I was really hooked on that, day and night, obsessed. And then I started watching the Kardashians, the new Kardashians. I mean, I haven't watched the Kardashians in many, many years, and I hadn't thought to even watch this. And then I said, let me give it a shot. Well, it is so, so good. I absolutely love it. I look forward to the new episodes every week. I don't know how long they'll continue, but it's just amazing. I watched Bling Empire. Now, the way they're shooting the Kardashians is very much and exciting, like Bling Empire. Bling Empire, I watched everything. I mean, these people are loaded. They not only own every store in the mall, they own the malls. I mean, they own everything. They own everything. I just like to see how they live. To me, I will live vicariously through them. Let's wrap it up right here. If you haven't subscribed, there's a subscribe banner and a little bell. Hit that both, and I'm here for you. I'm here for you. And thank you for being here for me. Whoever is here for me, thank you. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Mwah.